Malabot. I love this asparagus. The background is so noisy because have someone to renovate the house. One of my neighbor. Delicious. I love is asparagus, but expensive. I buy with this one and that. Super. This is very good, guys. Yung parang kumain ka sa isang sikat na restaurant, Chinese restaurant. And napaka-expensive. You can try this at home. Yung buong pamilya magugustuhan. Itong recipe na ko. Because it's so delicious. Delicious. I love this one. You can try this one at home, guys. Delicious.